CBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast on CW4 with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
Let's start out tonight with our Alpha Insurance Camera Network. Our time lapses, you can see the fast-moving clouds in Columbus, Tupelo earlier today, also in Vernon at Durham's Pharmacy, Louisville, Mississippi, too. We've had some very heavy rain at times, 1 to 3+ inches so far today. Let's zoom on into Noxubee County, right over Magnolia Drive, southeast of Brooksville. About 6:16, that's when that tornado touched down. So this is our debris detector where you see the color right here. That just tells us there's something other than rain flying around in the sky. Most likely debris lifted from that tornado. Just an interesting situation tonight. We had this little batch of shower activity, very little lightning with it. It was rotating all the way through Noxubee County, and it decided to put down that tornado we showed you earlier at the start of the show. But that threat is now done. We've got rainfall today so far, about 1 to 4 inches of rain, the heaviest in these colored stripes, especially in Noxubee County, where we've had over 3 inches in places. More rain coming on in from the south. This is directly associated with the hurricane swirling through southern Mississippi right now. Now, the best chance for heavy rain between now and tomorrow morning will be across the far southeastern counties, where we may see anywhere from 1/2 inch to 2 inches of additional rain, with the remnant low center coming in from the hurricane. The wind not too terribly strong now, but we have breezes from the east and southeast, at times gusting over 20. The best bet for those gusts over 30 tonight, south and east of Columbus, Noxubee, Pickens counties. You can see maybe some wind gusts here, but in general, no major effects from Zeta as it comes up I-20-59 tonight. Look at these current wind gusts down to our south. 91 in Mobile, Alabama, 46 in Hattiesburg, down to 56 or so in Biloxi, Gulfport. So things have been rocking and rolling down there closer to the coast tonight. Here's the latest on Zeta, down to 85 miles per hour sustained wind. Very strong wind still being detected aloft. Those gusts we just showed you at the surface, but aloft, we are looking at some wind speeds much higher than that. But the center of the low is moving right along I-20-59 tonight. So the worst of the weather just off to our southeast. But we mentioned the cold front. It's coming in behind it. It is much cooler back to the west, 50s in Shreveport and Little Rock, and we will have much cooler air blow on in here by the time we wake up tomorrow, down into the 60s. And our highs tomorrow technically will be at midnight. We wake up the 60s, and we may see temperatures cool down into the 50s as we get into the course of the afternoon hours. We will see a little bit of clearing. Now tonight, the storm moves along the interstate. We'll see some lingering showers to start out our Thursday. Perhaps a little bit of clearing by midday into the afternoon. Another little batch of clouds will roll on in tomorrow night into early Friday. We may start out Friday with some cloud cover, but clear things out nicely just in time for high school football. And look at all this sunshine for your weekend. Halloween, the time change on Sunday, don't forget about that. Cool early next week, 50s and 60s. Pretty nice for Election Day.